look at this big old box. This is from Coach. Let's see what I got from Coach, you guys. Look at this. Wow, this is a huge box. Okay, let me show y'all what this is. Maddy Hobo. Boysenberry. Oh, look at this. Purple. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's like wine. Oh, look at this. All right, let me get my stand. Oh, look at this. Oh, nice. Oh, look at this. Oh, cute. All right, let me get my stand so I can, this is, I bought this at the outlet, but it's from the Coach retail store. So yeah, this is cute. I guess I'm still opening it, huh? Oh, it's got a magnet right here. Oh, interesting. Okay. All right, let me get my stand so I can open up the rest of it. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is the bag. It's called Maddy Hobo Boysenberry. And let's get into the strap. I wanted to show you guys. It's like a crossbody and let's see. And it has this strap here. And I actually got this on the outlet. I think I paid total, including tax, like $113. And you know, your girl loved purple. Look at the, oh, isn't that cute? It's almost like a rose tint to it. Oh, that's adorable. And let's see what we got here. And then it has, oh, this strap is removable. Look at this. You could probably just take these out and remove it. Look at the big circle there. Oh, this is so cute. And it's probably adjustable to make it like crossbody or something like that. Let me just stand up and give you guys a quick peek at that. Oh my goodness. It's really cute. Oh, it's adorable. Okay, let me see. Now let me show you guys the inside. It's dark. It's like, it looks almost like a velvet navy blue kind of color. I'll see if I could get a better view. It's really cloudy here today. And then this is this part here. Oh my goodness, this is such a great find. I'm really excited about it. I'm glad that I decided to share the unboxing with you, because sometimes your girl just unbox her stuff and get to moving. I don't even record it. So, but yeah, this one is so cute. Let's see what this looks like. So it has like a hook to hook it inside the bag. This is this in the inside. It has a piece of paper. It's real dark, so you can't really see, but oh, isn't that the most cutest thing? And then on the side in here, it has like a hook to hook it onto. So that's what it looked like. Cute, cute, cute. I'm really excited about carrying this. And what I was thinking about this, I'll leave the measurements for this, but look how wide it is at the bottom. It says Glovetanned leather. It's really so pretty. And then here's the coach. A little tag here. And I was looking to see if it had the creed in the inside as well, but it doesn't look like it has it. It just looks like it has it on the little wristlet here. But you see the lining, the leather in the inside, the purple. It's really cute. And I wanted to get a couple accessories with it, but let me just show you this. I was thinking of this with it. I got this from my boy Just Rico TV. You guys got to check out his videos. He has some nice stuff. He's into handbags, fashion, and lifestyle. Even though this is gold, I think it's really cute little fox to go with this. It's so cute, right? But okay, let me show you the SLGs that I got to go with it. This is the attachment card case. Attachment card case. So I figured I would go all black. I felt like I needed a black wallet and a black card case as well. So this is this. And it has the ID slot, 2 credit cards, and it has a zipper, which is really nice. Oh, the zipper compartment in the inside, and then it has additional cards here on the side. And I like how you could just hang this on the back, although I could probably hang it in the inside. And then I have the wallet, the Pebble Leather Medium ID Zip wallet. And I really wanted to have a black wallet with Coach and Dooney and Burke, because I think those are just signature colors to have with your stuff. And this is what this one looks like in the inside. And it has the money slot. I really like this wallet. I have it in red. And I wanted the black one, and when I seen it was on sale on the website, I was like, cool. So I think these 3 items by Coach would look really cute in here. And that was my plan. Let me just show you quickly. I know you probably won't be able to see it, so I'll have to get a different view, but let me see if you guys have an idea. It's so cute. It does. This bag doesn't have a pocket in the inside or anything, but this is what it looks like with the 4 items. This came with it. That's the wallet, and then that's the cosmetic bag, and then the little wallet is on the side here. So yeah, your girl will be doing a what's in my bag with this soon, but you have an idea of how your girl want to style it. And I think this is so cute hanging off on the side. Just something just a little simple. Of course, you guys seen maybe my little chains that I got from Aldo. I have the silver one. Look at that. Isn't that cute? cute, cute, cute. Look at the side view. This is a nice roomy hobo bag. It's really nice. And I can easily slip my mini iPad in here, which I'm really excited about. So, I wanted to, like, this is a manila envelope. I just wanted to give you an idea of what that looks like against the manila envelope. I don't have my iPad right here to give you guys an idea, but you see, it's really adorable. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Yes, baby, you're so cute. I had to take you out today. Show everybody how cute you are. Okay, peace out. See you in the next video. Deuces.